Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be drop testing the Samsung, I don't remember, it's a U something. I'll just put it in the title like I normally do. We'll go ahead and do the backdrop in 3, 2, 1. Took some nicks up here at the top, down here on the edge of the bottom. Pretty good though, other than that. Let's go ahead and do the corner drop in 3, 2, 1. I kind of landed on the face. I'm going to stop the slow motion. The back came all the way over here. Slide the cover back on. I guess kind of hit on the corner. Let's go ahead and do a face down drop in 3, 2, 1. Back fell off again. Looks like right here took some pretty bad nicks. Still looks, everything else is good. Let's go and do the open face down. And 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. Gonna pause that. Right here it took some damage. Up here at the top. Nothing too bad really. Let's go ahead and do the throw test. In 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, let's go grab it. The back cover came off. Looks like the hinge isn't sitting right. Oh, I just had a rock in it. Alrighty guys, we'll look at the damage when we get back to the house still. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.